Welcome to Driffield Station level crossing. Okay, time now is 20:34. You're waiting for delayed 12:33 northern service from Bridlington. Sorry, from Sheffield to Bridlington. There's a new bus. First closure in Yorkshire. Around the corner you've got the other Driffield, which is winched down. Quite unique actually. I'll do that one another day. Because it's evening was obviously being so late. There's not many northern services. Next one's 2050 something. We've got a turbo. There's the pedestals. 2011 barriers like the ones at Shippy Hill, which is the previous video. Very interesting positioning in this crossing. Oh, it's a cat trespassing. Here we go, we've got turbo. Don't think the DMIs are working yet on these. 174.73. .174.73 to Ridley. And on the platform, there they go. Hey guys, I'll see you in the next video.